Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll discuss about in Java, you can declare an array. In this video, we'll try to show you that how you can declare array. In Java, you can declare an array in a few different ways. There are different process. Number one, you sometimes you want to declare only the array. So on that case, what you have to do, you just have to type like this way. So as you can see in this particular first line, we are declaring an array with name, numbers, and the type of the array should be integer, and you have to specify these two bracket, square bracket, and it declares an array of integer. If you want to declare different types of array based on the data type, then you can change the data type. Instead of integer here, like here you can see it's string, right? So instead of string you can use float table as per your requirement. So in this particular two line, you can see you declare the arrays type and the name only, but you don't initialize it. This means you define the type of the element the array will hold and its name, but you don't allocate any memory for it yet. Now, if you want to declare with initialization, then how we can do that? Let me discuss that as well. So here, instead of this two particular line, what you can do, you can write this type of code. So now let me make a comment over here. So to make a comment, you just have to give double slash over here like this. So now in this case, you can see in this case you declare and initialize the array in one line by specifying the size of the array in the square brackets. So in this particular declaration and initialization, as you can see, I am specifying 5. It means it creates an integer of array with 5 elements. And using this particular line, as you can see, I am mentioning here 10 here. It means it creates a string array with 10 elements. And as you can see, we are using a new keyword. So in this way, using the new keyword, we can also create the array like this way. Now I'll show you one different way, that is the declaration with initialization using values. So if you want to initialize the values as well, then how you can do that? Let me show you that as well. So before that, so what is the difference between this one and this one? So in this case, in the first case, it will not create any space in the memory, but if you'll write this type of code and if you specify the size 5 and 10, it will allocate the memory. Now you can declare and initialize the array with specific values directly using the curly braces, as you can see over here like this. So before that, let me comment it as well for your reference. So in this case, what we are doing the same thing, but we are not taking this part. Instead of this, we are using the curly braces, and inside the curly braces we are specifying value based on the data type mentioned over here. So as you can see, it's integer, so that's why we are specifying values 1 2 3 4 5. So how many values are there? 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 values are there. And here remember, the size is determined, the array size is determined by the number of element in the initializer over here. So here the size of the array will be 5, and in this case the size of the array will be 3, because here is the Java, here is the Python, and here is the C++. So total 3 values are there, right? So that is why the size will be 3 for words and the size of the numbers will be 5. So in this way you can declare the, so I have shown 3 different way. You can, using this two particular line, this type of line, you can declare the array only. Using these two line, we are declaring and initializing the array, and here in this case you can see we are declaring and initializing using the direct value. So this is the hard coded value we are putting over here. So I hope now it's clear. We'll move to the next part of the array in the next video. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.